Buyers, are you interested in purchasing a brand new home? If so, having a real estate agent to help you navigate through the process can make all the difference. Hi, this is Brandi Adkins with LPT Realty. Now, buying new construction and buying a new home can be a very exciting experience. From being the very first owner to the excitement of customizing your features, there are a lot of benefits, but it can be quite overwhelming. The process is a little bit overwhelming. This is where the value of having a highly skilled real estate agent to help you navigate the process comes into play. According to the mortgage reports, your real estate agent will be key to helping you navigate this process, as they will guide you through the construction and anticipate providing solutions to any possible snags along the way. Although you'll be working with the builder, an experienced agent has the expertise to evaluate the construction quality and the reputation of different builds. You will also have qualified insights into understanding builder contracts and negotiations. So if you are in the market to buy, don't wait, reach out to my team and I so we can help you turn your vision of owning a new home into reality.